Portobello mushroom paninis. It's looking good. Sani right in the center there, and close our press. A warm pressed sandwich on a chilly day is just unbeatable. I love a good panini, especially a portobello mushroom panini with Swiss chard. It's so delicious, it's so fantastic, really, really simple. We're just playing with some balsamic, garlic, a little bit of Swiss cheese, all melted together in a panini. So I'm a meat girl, but I'm telling you, with these portobello paninis, you don't miss meat at all. So it starts off with Swiss chard. If you don't know what Swiss chard is, this is what it is. It's a little kind of weird looking today. I don't know what happened in the bag in my refrigerator, apparently something. But all you're gonna do is you're going to give this a nice rough chop. You want to include those beautiful stems too. They're edible. They're actually a little bit sweet. The whole thing is kind of like spinach. So you can also sub spinach, although spinach has a little bit higher water content, so it might make your paninis a little bit soggy. So I'm gonna take my Swiss chard and I'm just gonna pop it right into this skillet here, because we're gonna wilt everything down and cook it off in some balsamic. It's time to add the stars of the show. I have some portobello mushrooms that are sliced, and then I slice them in half again so they're a little bit smaller. I'm gonna add those in. It's gonna give you that nice meatiness, and you're not gonna miss real meat. And then I have some sliced red onion. I add quite a bit because Eric loves onion. And then I have some garlic, just some slivered garlic. I like to keep it in slivers because you can really get that garlickiness in each bite. And then I have some balsamic vinegar. And I'm just gonna add to the entire pan here, be generous. And then I have a little bit of herbes de Provence, which sounds super fancy, but it's just an herb blend. It's one of my all-time favorites. It has thyme, rosemary, basil, oregano, tarragon, and lavender. It's a really cool mix. If you don't have that or don't want to use it, you can just add in one of those, like thyme. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And then just a drizzle of olive oil just to bind everything together, and so it doesn't stick to the pan. I'm gonna turn my heat on medium high, and I'm gonna let this cook off until all the ingredients are nice and soft and just wilted for about 5 to 7 minutes. It's looking good. That means it's time to assemble our paninis, starting off with excellent quality bread. You can use whatever bread you want. I actually like rye bread the best with these paninis. You can also use wheat or white or whatever. So first step is to just olive oil each side of your bread as if you're making a sandwich here and you need to oil each side. Then I'm gonna add my mixture to the bread. I use a slotted spoon so that way you don't catch the extra balsamic. You wanna add just the right layer so that you get enough of each component, but it's not too messy and it doesn't fall apart on you. So just about like that. And then I'm gonna take Swiss cheese. I like Swiss on this. Swiss and mushrooms is like the classic combo. Just a layer like that. And then I'm gonna pop the top right on, and it's time for our panini press. Let's press. Stick our Sani right in the center there and close our press. So it's gonna take like 4 to 5 minutes to press. You wanna just wait until there's nice golden brown lines, those traditional panini lines on your sandwich. If you don't have a panini press, don't panic. Just stick your sandwich right in a big skillet or pan, and then you can put anything that's heavy on the top of your sandwich and press it down, like a cast iron skillet or something else that's stove safe and heat safe. So I'm gonna wait my 4 to 5 minutes, and then it's time to dig in. I couldn't wait. I just had to try. They're so good. These are all mine. Eric's gonna be jealous of me. They're absolutely incredible. I don't miss meat. Check these out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Hold on. Okay, ready?